Hey, Alex. Can I have my camera lens back today?
Oh. Hi, Daniel. I am still using it right now.
Are you sure? My big photography class starts tomorrow morning.
Yes, I just need one more day to finish my project.
Okay, but please be careful with it. Replacing that lens costs $500.
$500? Do not worry, Daniel. I will take good care of it.
Great. I will come back tomorrow to collect it. See you later, buddy.
I must get this job. $500 is too much money for me. I hope they do not ask me too many difficult questions about my past work. You can do this, Alex. Just smile and look professional.
Come in, Alex. Please take a seat right here.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you very much for seeing me today.
Your resume looks very good. It says you worked at the luxury Grand Hotel for 3 years.
Yes, that is correct, ma'am. I worked there for a very long time.
The Grand Hotel is a famous and very busy place. Why did you leave your job there?
Well, I wanted a new challenge. I wanted to work in a friendly neighborhood diner.
We are definitely a neighborhood diner, but we get incredibly busy on Friday nights.
I love busy places, ma'am. I always work very fast when I am under pressure.
Good, because we need a new server right now. Our main waiter is sick today. Before I hire you, let me ask you one simple question about customer service.
Of course, ma'am. Please ask me anything you want.
What do you do if an angry customer complains about cold food?
First, I listen to the customer very carefully and do not interrupt them. Then, I apologize sincerely for the mistake with their dinner. After that, I quickly take the food back to the kitchen to replace it with a hot meal.
Excellent answer. You clearly know how to handle difficult people. Great, you have the job. Follow me to the kitchen right now. Sophie, this is Alex. He is our new server starting today.
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you. We are going to be very busy tonight.
Hello, Sophie. It is very nice to meet you too.
Sophie will show you how we do things around here. Do not make any mistakes tonight, Alex. Friday nights are completely crazy here.
Do not worry, boss. I can handle the work perfectly.
Okay, Alex, let us get you ready before the real rush begins. We use this digital tablet to send food orders directly to the chefs.
Oh, I see. That looks very easy and simple to use.
But remember, you must always double-check the customer's table number.
Why? What happens if I accidentally write the wrong table number?
Then the wrong people get the food, and the head chef gets extremely angry with us.
Okay, I understand. I will be very careful with the numbers.
Look, the first hungry customers are arriving. It is showtime, Alex.
Here we go. It is time to make $500. Good evening, sir. Are you ready to order your dinner today?
Yes, please. I would like the big beef burger with a side of French fries. And please bring me a hot cup of black coffee. No sugar, please.
One beef burger, fries, and a black coffee with no sugar. I will bring it right away.
Thank you very much, young man.
Where is the button for the beef burger? Is it under lunch or dinner? Oh no, there are so many people arriving. I must hurry up. Perfect. The order is sent to the kitchen. That was not so difficult.
Alex, order number 12 is ready. Take this hot food out to the floor.
Got it. I am on my way right now, Sophie. Here is your hot meal, ma'am. Enjoy your dinner. Excuse me, is this not table 14? I thought you ordered this.
I am sitting at table 14, yes. But I am a vegetarian, and I have a dangerous allergy to milk.
Alex, table 4 has been waiting for 20 minutes. Where is their food?
I made a big mistake with the digital tablet, Sophie.
Well, are you going to take this meat away and bring my actual salad?
Good evening, ma'am. Is there a serious problem with your service tonight?
Your new waiter does not know what he is doing. He almost gave me an allergic reaction.
I am very sorry, boss. It was an accident.
Alex, what happened out there?
I gave the food to the wrong table. Maya is very angry with me.
Maya is very strict about customer safety. You need to be completely honest with her.
I know. I am going to her office right now.
Come in, Alex. Close the door behind you. Alex, you told me you have 3 years of experience at a luxury hotel.
Yes, ma'am. That is what my resume says.
While you were in the kitchen, I called the manager at the Grand Hotel. He told me that nobody named Alex has ever worked there.
I am so sorry, ma'am. I lied to you. I never worked there.
Why did you lie to me? Lying is a very serious mistake.
I dropped my friend Daniel's expensive camera lens yesterday. It broke completely. A new lens costs $500. I do not have that money. I was panicked. I needed a job today to pay him back tomorrow morning.
I cannot let you work as a server. It is dangerous for our customers.
I understand, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
But we are very short-staffed tonight, and I need a dishwasher right now.
A dishwasher? You are not firing me? Thank you, Maya. I will wash every single dish perfectly. Wow. That is a lot of dirty plates. It does not matter. I have to fix my mistake today.
Wow, Alex, you are working very fast.
Thank you, Sophie. I want to clean everything before midnight.
You are doing a great job. The kitchen looks much better now.
This room is perfectly clean, Alex. You worked very hard tonight.
Thank you, ma'am. I wanted to show you that I can be useful.
Here is your money. You earned it honestly.
This means a lot to me, Maya. Thank you very much.
Good morning, Alex. I came to collect my camera lens.
Daniel, I need to tell you something important. Please open the box.
Oh no. Alex! What happened to my favorite lens?
I accidentally dropped it 2 days ago. I am so sorry, Daniel. I broke it. Here is $100. I worked all night at a diner to get this for you. I know the lens costs $500. I promise to pay you the rest of the money very soon.
You lied to me yesterday, Alex. That made me feel bad.
I know. I was scared because I did not have the money.
But you are telling the truth now. And you worked hard to fix it. Do not worry, my friend. I accept this money. You can pay me the rest whenever you can.
Thank you so much, Daniel. You are the best friend ever.
Good afternoon, Alex. Are you ready for your regular weekend shift?
Yes, Maya. I am ready to work honestly and do my best every day.